Good Tuesday morning, South Carolina weather watchers. Hopefully, everyone has had a fantastic Tuesday. I'm your host for South Carolina weather, Jesse Peterson, and let's talk about the weather for our Tuesday. Now, looking at the radar right now, no rain falling throughout the entire state of South Carolina right now. But if we scroll our way out, you can see that we do not really have much going on. We do have some rain up there or some precipitation up there in the Pacific Northwest. Also, inside of the Rockies and down there near the Louisiana Mississippi coastline. And if you look at winter weather precipitation, this is like a mix right here. This is mixed precipitation inside of southern Idaho and northern Utah. And then also we do have a mix of some rain and some snow up there in the Pacific Northwest as well. Go on and talk about our cloud cover. Cloud cover right now is showing honestly, some pretty heavy cloud cover going into southern South Carolina, and then wispy cloud cover throughout most of the state. And there was some fog this morning in some areas as well, so that is most likely about to start rising, and it's about to just go to normal cloud cover now. Here's our cloud cover for the future. As you push this forward, you can start to see cloud cover continuing to kind of just meander through South Carolina and then leave. And then this is what tonight could look like. Tonight, it's going to be honestly not even that bad. As you get into tomorrow morning, though, again, not bad. Honestly, it might be pretty clear tomorrow. And then until you get to around, or not tomorrow, but or yes, tomorrow. Yeah, once you get to like tomorrow evening ish or so, that's when the cloud cover will probably start to move in the most. So that's what's going on right now with the models. And current temperature is 55 in Columbia, 61 in Charleston, 61 in Myrtle Beach, 61 in Georgetown, as well as 55 in Columbia and Bishopville and Florence, as well as 52 in Rock Hill, 52 in Union, in Greenville, Spartanburg, and Anderson, as well as 53 inside of Edgefield and 55 in Augusta. Here's our high temperatures for today, around 71 in Columbia, 71 inside of Sumter, 70 in Florence, 71 in Myrtle Beach, 72 in Georgetown, 74 in Charleston, 75 in Moncks Corner, 77 in Walterboro, 77 in Hilltown, 72 in Orangeburg, Manuel, and Aiken, as well as 68 in Lawrence, 69 in Spartanburg, 71 Greenville and Anderson, as well as 68 inside of Rock Hill. Peak sustained winds for today, honestly not going to be it's not going to be too calm, but it's also not going to be too breezy. It's going to be maybe around very calm up there in the upstate, especially the far upstate, up there near the South Carolina, Georgia, and North Carolina border up there in the upstate. Going to be calm, around 6 to 10 miles an hour. But then once you get towards the coastal regions, you'll start to receive some of those sustained winds from 10 to 15 miles per hour, and even 10 miles an hour is possible throughout some inland regions as well, like Aiken, Dillon, Florence as well. If you go to wind gust right now, honestly, it will be probably from around 10 to around 20, 21, 22 miles per hour throughout the entire state. Yes, the entire state of South Carolina. Some isolated regions won't receive a 10-mile-an-hour wind gust, but most of the state will receive a 10 to 20 mile per hour wind gust today. Again, not dangerous, but just something that you might feel. No precipitation expected for the next 24 hours. Same thing with no excessive rainfall and no severe weather. So let's look at the models right now. See just what it says for today. We're not going to look at anything long, but just what it says for today. As you push this forward, you see that there's not much. And then it goes all the way to tomorrow morning. This is around 24 hours out, and look at that, nothing going on at all. So we're good in terms of rain for today. It's gonna be a nice day today. So you actually won't need that umbrella with you, and you can actually go and do some stuff outside if you would like to. We'll have to prepare for any rain, hopefully. And then here's the tropics as well. Disturbance 1 over here has completely just blown up. A tropical wave over the central Caribbean Sea is producing an area of disorganized showers and thunderstorms. The environmental conditions appear conducive for development, and a tropical depression is likely to form by the end of the week as the system moves west into the western Caribbean Sea. Also says, afterward, the disturbance is expected to meander over the western Caribbean Sea through the weekend and begin moving slowly northwest by early next week. Interests across the western Caribbean Sea should monitor the progress of this system. So, a 40% chance of this thing forming over the next 24 hours, and an 80% chance over, a 80% chance of this thing forming over the next 7 days. So this thing is increasing. This thing is increasing fast. Just yesterday morning, it was a 40% chance. Now it's an 80% chance. And then last night, it was a 60% chance as well. So I wonder by tonight if we'll see any increase, any 20% increase, whether it be with the 4-day or the 2-day or the 7-day, either. And that is pretty much it. Also, last night, we did, in fact, hit 300 subscribers. We have finally went over 300 subscribers. So, honestly, the goal will be moved. Actually, I'm going to move it right now. Now it says 400. Our goal is now 400. There's not going to be a set time. I'm not going to do that this time. But we're just going to hit 400 whenever we hit 400. There's not going to be a goal with it. So, maybe, so I'm going to try and pull it back with that. Maybe try and not do so much of the, we got to get this by this and this by this. You know, I mean, because it's a goal. So, I mean, there's nothing really wrong with it. But still, we'll just let it play out this time. We'll see how it does. But right now, 400 subscribers is our goal. Let's see how long it takes. It is November the 12th. We'll see how many days it takes us. Hopefully around maybe 2 months ish. Hopefully by the new year. Hopefully by New Year 2025 we'll be at 400. But we'll see where we are by then. And that's pretty much it. So hopefully everyone has a fantastic rest of your Tuesday. And I'll be back tonight, 9 o'clock p.m. with another forecast update.